Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to teach you the lesson number 2, safety and home. What is safety? Which means when we are being very careful, we can call that is safety. And what is home means the place we are living, no? We are living together with all the family members and enjoying ourselves. That place is the home. So now we are going to learn the lesson is safety and home. The topic be safe. Why do we want to be safe? Because accident happens suddenly. So accident can happen suddenly. So nobody will unexpectedly this accident may happen. So what will happen? People get hurt in accidents. Sometimes accident can put in danger. So it is happening suddenly. It might be a minor accident or a major part. Okay, even that also will put ourselves into a danger positions. So that only we are asking to be safe. Okay, if we are careful and follow the safety rules, we can avoid an accident. So at the time we can be very safe. That is why asking us to be safe. And where are the place we have to be very safe? No. Now we'll see one by one. Be safe in the classroom. Do you think being safe, being careful and safety is necessary in the classroom? Exactly, we need the rules and regulation to be safe in the classroom also. So let me read one by one. Do not hit anyone. It's most important. While you are asking to form a line to go prayer hall means you have to, without eating and hit others, you have to walk in a line. And or throw things at anyone. Okay, by sitting in your place, you should not just throw any object on anybody else. So it also will may hurt others. So that do not hit anyone and throw things at anyone. Do not climb on the desk. You know the desk is provided to you for a purpose of writing and to keep your things on the table. So it is provided only for the purpose of using for your studies. Okay, unnecessarily you should not climb on the desk. So if the desk first, again it will hurt you. Okay, that is why you should not climb on the desk. Use a sharpener to sharpen pencils. So sharpener is the material used to sharpen the pencils. But instead of that, if you are using a knives or blades, so unfortunately it may used to cut our fingers. No, so that only asking you to use this sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Be careful while using the scissors and needles. All these knives, needles, scissors, all we have to use. So at the time of usage, should be making ourselves very careful. Okay, so these are the rules. So do not hit, do not climb on the desk, use a sharpener, and most important, being careful. So all these rules is necessary to be safe in the classroom. Next, place where do we want to be safe? No, be safe on the playground. Okay, when you go playground, what do you want to know? No, see here, learn and follow the rules of whichever game you know. Okay, in the playground there are many games may have. So you have to know each and every game of a playground and the watches provided there for you to play. Okay, because by knowing the rules, it will helpful for you to play easily, and you also can enjoy. The people who are together playing, they also can enjoy. So you should know the rules of the game. And do not hit others again. Okay, we should not hit others by using things like bat or ball or anything which can cause injury. So while playing, sometimes it may get hurt. No. So if it is happening, unfortunately, through the first aid treatment, we can make them solve. Okay, but by hitting with a bat, ball, or anything, it may cause injury. So that only do not hit with such things. And wait for your turn. Most important, children. So we have to wait until our turn comes in the place of swing or in the place of seesaw or in fact everywhere. So does not mean the place where the swing or seesaw. So wherever we are going or climbing a bus or moving or going to a train and going along with the parents. So until your turns comes, you have to wait. So that patient will make you be very safe. Next place we have to be very safe on the place is be safe on the road. This is most important. So once you come out of a house, this is necessary. Okay, because safety is important for us. No. So how do we can be safe on the road? No, by knowing all these things. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. When you are going along with your parents, so if they forgot, also ask them to make you to walk in the footpath. It is safety both your parent and for you also. And signals. So we used to ride a bicycle, no. So when you are going to use a cycle, if you are going to take a turn towards right side, means show the signal like this. Okay. So if you are going to turn, means it will help the people who are coming behind it. So they know you are going to take a turn. So they will make their vehicle to slow. So it will help you to take a right turn. So according to your turning point, you have to give us signals when you are riding a bicycles. Then be careful in a moving bus. So through the excitement, when you are traveling in the bus or a train, so you may get some excitement when you are sitting near the window. No. So at the moment, you should never put your head or hand out of the window. So it will also very dangerous. So that only while you are traveling in a bus, you should be very careful. Then wanted to cross a road. So best way is using zebra crossing place. So you might have seen there are black and white stripes which are drawn on the road. No, so that is called zebra crossing. It helps the people who are walking on the footpath and road. No, they wanted to cross, means they can use the zebra crossing way. So these are the rules. If you are following, you can be safe. So in case no zebra crossing but vehicles are moving, you cannot able to cross the road, means other places are available. The name of a place is subway. Okay. So cross the road when it is clear or when the traffic stops. Okay. You can cross the road when there is no vehicle or signals give you stop. Signals gives the vehicle to stop. So then we can, by using zebra crossing, or we can cross the road. If not so, we have to use a subway. There is a subway would be there. So use a subway to cross the road. So when you follow all these things, you can be safe in the classroom or in the playground or on the road. Okay, we'll follow the rules and regulation to come out of your home, children. We'll see you on next week. Thank you. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.